Welcome to Cheeky Kids Land.
Hello kids, today I draw some shapes. Yay! So let's start drawing. First I draw a circle. This is a circle. And then I draw a triangle. Yay! This is our learning of a shape. Now I draw a square. Just draw 4 lines and then draw a square. And then I draw a cute little heart. This is a heart. Wow! And now I draw a rectangle. Yay! The rectangle is just like a square. And now I draw a star. The star has 5 corners. Only a circle has 0 corner, circle has no corner, and triangle has 3 corners, and square has 4 corners, and heart has 2 corners. A rectangle has 4 corners and star have 5 corners. Yay! First I draw in a circle. This is the orange color. The orange circle. Yay! The circle has 0 corner. And now I start coloring in triangle. Triangle has 3 corners and I take the purple color for the triangle. Yay! And now I take the red color for square. So square has 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yay! Almost I have done my drawing in square. And now I start coloring in rectangle. The rectangle also have 4 corners. This is lengthwise long. And now I start coloring in star. Is a green color. And now I start coloring in heart. The heart has 2 corners and I take the red color for the heart. If you like my video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Ta-da!